Hey, Tom here at Our Pastime. Welcome. I think spring has finally sprung. I am going to attempt to get my rototiller going today and till up the garden for the first time this spring of 2025. In this part of my garden, I mixed in a whole lot of leaf matter from the maple trees and other trees around my property that I collected last year. I dumped it into the garden, tilled it under once, and let it sit all winter to decompose and do whatever it does. Today, I'm gonna just go down, and I'm not gonna give it a full till. I'm just gonna aerate this top layer of soil to get it to start to dry out so that I can plant peas. It's the third week of April already, and I usually have my peas in by the first or second week. But the weather has not been cooperating. Even 2 days ago, we were getting snow flurries in the afternoon. So it's been a long, prolonged winter, and now I think spring is finally here. No more snow, at least not in the near forecast. And today is the day to get out in the garden and get things starting on the way to planting. It's now the season to plant. Planting season, I hope. So I'm pretty sure that this part of the garden is all set to go. So let's find out, get that rototiller going. Okay, we're back at the garden and with the rototiller all ready to go, I hope. Turn it on. Should just have to give it one pull or two pulls. More pulls. Come on, tractor. Come on, little rototiller. You were just running. I didn't do anything different. There, sounds good. Now let's get some tilling done. There, that's good enough for now. Let that dry out. It's already starting to dry out a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty moist. I would also almost say if you squeeze it, it's gonna stay, well, it's got enough matter in it so it's coming right back apart, but it's right at the verge where it needs to dry out before I can do any planting. It's just a little bit too moist. And that's just the top layer. We've got a whole nother depth to go. This is just like the first 3 inches, and I can go down as far as 6. I want to mix that next layer all in and get it all dried out, or not as wet and muddy. Then I can start putting some rows in, putting some seeds in. Not plants, too early for plants. It's only in the middle of April. So, all right, well, later this afternoon I'll come back on and go down deep and see what we get. The dry on the top should mix well with the soil underneath and really put a lot of the stuff, mix it well throughout 6 inches of soil. There's a lot of leaf matter in here right now, some of last year's plants too. Beans, that's an old bean stalk. Not jacks, but all right. Well, now I'm going to go do some grape pruning. Maybe we'll film that too.